Welcome back to the channel, lled and Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now of course, condolences to the family of Ainsley Parkins, the councillor from the Southborough division, whose life was taken on Thursday morning. Now it is understood that Parkins was shot in his division and transported to the Spanish Town Hospital. One individual was quoted as saying, "He's dead," and that he's just leaving the hospital heading to the Southborough community at the moment. He said he was one of the best councillors in the entire Portmore, never tolerated gunmen, and gave information to the police and their activities constantly. The news article also pointed out that he was the second politician from the division to have their lives taken in just over a year. As in May 2022, Lennox Hines, the Jamaica Labour Party councillor for the area, was shot and killed on Marcus Garvey Drive in Kingston. Now on to the other stories making headlines today.
What they want to call it. So she walk past the pen and the pencil people, then go wearing her back and go stay there for a local time people. And then come round back. And I know say the manager the upstairs, because I know the manager good. The boss lady, I'm a good friend. And I know the other manager too. And the other manager there in a little thing what they in front of the park there. Well, when I use my maroon ID, and they say me just go and them say, and then write off the tax and give me and say, hold back your maroon ID. So I know everything about this long before she working there. So I said that girl I know say a picture pick for them, bro. Anyway people, me make kind of better. So I there and say, Mr. She look for the money said we. So I said, my girl, what wrong? She don't like how it feel. I said, did you test it? She said, yes, she test it. I said, there is a pen on it. She said, yeah. But she don't like how it feel because it's over the jacket. I said, I don't know some money so I carry jacket now. I may spend money long time before her. I still spend money more than her now. It having a jacket. US dollar having a jacket. So I said, what kind of jacket thing this? I what if I breed a girl I want to breed for me, I want to give a jacket. She tell me about jacket. So anyway, people. You know what I said, my girl, alright. I'm not hustler, I'm alright. See some Canadian dollar. Take the Canadian dollar. We don't take Canadian dollar. And I give it to the attitude. Then I say she still hold the money and I say, I don't like how that money I feel. I'm buying now. So I say, my girl, but you don't test it and everything and you tell me the discount rate. Why are you? And she's still got to cash me, but she's got to send me over to another banker. So I say, wait, then if you now cash me and you not accept the money and then you're going to send me over to another cashier, that means that when the cashier they get the money, she's going to say, but wait, if Piggy not take it, that means there's something wrong with it. And then the other cashier they go style me to people. I remember now, in front of a whole heap of people, they behind me till all the people in the line of custody and they say, oh, where go on? And then me or somebody there put, Emperor, what kind of money that? And me I said, nothing wrong with the money. And then me I look at old lady there. You know how crowds say when crowds are grow up. That gosh, how kind of fake thing that him have up there? Why the lady? Some people will feel aware, will feel hurted. Character assassination, the girl I bring down for me. Big disrespect me. Then I say, my girl, come here force her and I say, baby, me how far me come from. Me have to drive go way back on the hill now. So she said, alright, I'm gonna write the thing them up, but I'm gonna put you over to another teller. I can't take this. This money not feel good. Me test it in the light, and the light shows it good. I'm gonna run it through the money machine, and it shows it good, but I don't like how it feel. I mean, it's a rotted Papa Jesus. And then I see the money in the back, so I make up nice now, because you know them in the line long time wait people. So I say, alright, give me this. Because she said she not take the Canadian dollar people. So I drive out people, drive go way down a Constant Spring Road, turn way up back Constant Spring Road people, and go way up in the hills people, and go in the local safe people. And I just count out and say 60,000 US dollar people. And then I do some boom over and check out $3 million people. You understand? Because I look for send for a container people. So when I send for the container, I put on the money people for the container. So I do some boom. And just go down the back people. And drop $60,000, which $60,000 really enough money people. You understand? Because when Shaggy work I show people 100,000. See the local what name again? Josh them people, when Josh them work I show people. If you have 80,000, 70,000, don't call them phone. When Spice work I show people. If you have 70 or 100,000 US, don't call Spice phone. Just some look at broke pocket people now who don't use the money, some bloggers. Why make a name off of the emperor? Oh, you should deal with the girls, sir, or you should walk with so much money. Thief are gonna rob you. Listen, me youth. How now they are gonna thief? Same time, the whole of the people, when the people say and hear what really go on, the people themselves turn against her to answer disrespect, she disrespect. Even the workers them in the place come and say, I violate, you violate. Remember, the workers them and say she violating the people. And the whole of the managers them come around to me and say, Emperor, we do apologize for the idiot behavior that she do. Because them know some could have sued the place for character assassination and for embarrassment of one bag of sitting people. You understand? And charge them back for my gas. What me have to go way up in the hills and come down back for people. First thing, people, I do not keep certain money on my house. So no boy can, Andrew Wallace can't compare the man to come kill me. I talk about a robber broke in my house. Everybody know that. If you're broken at anyone of my house, them don't think you're going to find a puss them. And you probably find probably a 100 Jamaican dollar, or you probably find 50 US dollar the highest of them thing. I don't care money got my yard, people. Because I know some bad mind family. I have some bad mind friend. You understand? And your woman might have her friend them come at the yard and her friend them set up to come rob you. We know them things from long time. Because I remember some long time Freemason. Yeah, man. Rasta, man. Where you go with daddy?
What the bill?
The bill. Oh, Sita. So we already know them things that people, and I meet each people, so listen me. When you make it in a life, don't carry money. Worse if you ever get a house, don't do it. Worse if you ever get a stepmother-in-law, don't do it. You set up people in a business place too. Don't save money in a business place overnight. As you make the money, you turn down the bank with it. But that the other people, me if I go do some money at the container, so me draw the money from the bank overnight, people. You understand? And carry the money go put on. For go spend it the Monday. You understand? So me just go up here the hill, people, and come and say, dirty thinking girl, I'm your style. And people are the same US dollar what she refuse. She end up having to take back. So anybody want to rob me, them have to go into the bank. And if you take my credit card, the uncle can take 100,000 Jamaican dollar fight. And then the camera go catch you. So Andrew Wallace can't beat me up by paying some look a blogger boy if you come on TV and talk about the emperor life is in danger. Oh, for me life in danger. Me the Rema, me the jungle, me the Waterhouse, me the Walton Park, me the Riverton, me the every ghetto era every day. And me and every gangster live good. Me and every police live good. Me and every judge live good. Me and everybody live good. And the madman them all walk on the street. And they one time they say me a madman. So me put them in a bankruptcy, people, and them lose them house. And them lose everything, people. And sometimes some of them go there with some woman. And the woman family, they mash them down. And them lose everything. So them have to go in the street, people. And enough of them go downtown. Because it's through downtown now. When you got the market, them kind of go pick up food. And you know, a man like me who come down the regular and get them food. So people are some intelligent people. Them up on the road, how they call mad people. Car. How are they, man? How much 100,000 what a wheel up on my car, people. And me still give my friend them a vehicle and for drive, people. How are they, man? Me no worship vanity, people. So that's the thing with the emperor. That's why I believe the people them say, Emperor, LA. Everywhere I go, people, me no figure to me come from. You will see me down a Beverly Hills later. Then 2 hours after, you see me down a Rema, down a jungle, see a part of my friend them. And then hear me down a Tivoli, big up Dodos, said we. You understand? Said we, big up President Dodos. And you will see me up on the Commissioner of Police. I love my body out more time for them not dealing with the police. I'm good. That's what I tell people.
Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me you think. If you're new to the channel, as I pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, of course. My sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, and prosper. I want to stay tuned until we reason again. Make sure you check out the rest of the content on the channel. And drop your thoughts and your comments on those videos as well. As I say, until we reason again, live, love, and prosper. And stay tuned.